Welcome to this comprehensive guide on fixing the CapCut export error or problem. If you're facing export issues, there's a simple setting you can adjust. Here's what you should do. Begin by clicking on the menu at the top left of CapCut. Proceed to select Settings and then click on Performance. Make sure to unselect Speed Up Hardware Encoding as demonstrated. Once you've made this change, remember to save the settings. Afterward, go to the top right corner of the screen and attempt to export your project again. Hopefully, this adjustment will lead to a successful export. If this solution doesn't work, you can try updating the software. However, please be aware that after updating, some previously free features may become pro functions. If you encounter a prompt to join the professional version and return to editing when exporting, it means you have elements from CapCut Pro in your edit. While they can be included in your video, exporting will notify you that you need the professional mode to export, and there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.